Welcome to Delph Stack, and this is how to change the name in Facebook, WhatsApp, or Messenger. So, guys, if you ever wondered, first just simply open up the WhatsApp Messenger into your phone, and now from here, you can just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now, over here, down below, you should be able to see the settings. So go ahead and select the settings. Now, here on the settings, you can just simply tap on your name over here. And as you can see at the top, you should be able to see name. Now, here, as you can see, people will see this name if you interact with them and they don't have you saved as contact. So from here, just simply provide your name, and also you could select the emoji icon over here to add an emoji depending on your preferences. And now, once you are done, select save to save the changes. And from here, people will see you now as the new name that you have provided. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.